tell them. Show me my opponent, 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 show me my opponent in 12 years.
What is going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, man. We're about to head to the mall to go see if these UNC3s are sitting on the shelves or if they sold out. So I'm about to hop in the whip, get on the highway, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. We are walking into Bellin Village Mall, man, to go see if the UNC3s are sitting or if they are gone in here, man. So we're gonna catch y'all when we get inside, man. Well, we off the finish line, as you can see up in here. We got some loads in here. They look like the Pine Greens. A couple of mids. They still have the satin. They got the Nike Air, the Fire Red 3s or the Unite 3s, whatever you want to call it.
There you go.
See that they do have the Chinese New Year 13s. Tiffany 13s here too. Denim. Still got the reflection of a Champion 7s in here. A couple of 4s. You know what I'm saying? But the UNC3s have sold out, man. Go ahead and check another store and see if they're up in here, man. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. All right, man. I done made it off up in Foot Locker. You can see we do got some Dub Zeros in here, but everybody are telling me that the UNC3s have sold out, man. You know what I'm saying? I kind of like these right here. These are the Royal Mids. You know what I'm saying? They still got the satins in here. I think these are the Black History Month mids, or I don't know, man. I forgot the name of these, man. Maybe the Ray Guns, man. I think that's what it is, the Ray Gun mids here. But as you can see, they still do have the Chinese New Year 13s here. Yes, ma'am. You know what I'm saying? A couple of 6 rings. Oh, man. See, they got a few LeBrons in here as well. You know what I'm saying? I think these the foam pods that dropped the other day. You know. Some garages. You know. Up tempos. You know. Prestos right here. Air Maxes, 97s, couple of 90s, 95s, and they got sales on them, like these two. Go to Georgetown. Allen Iverson's right here, man. Might have to get me a pair of them here soon. A couple of Converses, All-Stars, you know, Reeboks, man, the classics, but that's about it, man. But the UNC 3s, they are gone, man. I'm gonna go check out another store while I'm in here. Let's get it. Alright, man, we about to look to see what's in here. I walked in, the manager told me straight up that they sold out. He told me another place might have it that's in the city, so I'm gonna go check that out. But I just want y'all to see what's sitting on shelves in here, man. But as you can see, the Tiffany's are in here. We got the Pine Green Mids, Denim 6s. You got the Winter Rise 4s. See the Dub Zeros on here, a couple of 6 rings, you know. You still got the leg of 13s, you know. Got a couple of LeBrons that's in here. KDs, Kyrie Irvings, man, you know. You even got a few Satin ones still sitting in here, black satin ones, you know. A few Air Max 97s, 95s, 90s. You know what I'm saying? That's okay. Couple of slides in here. Man, that's about it, man. All right, guys, I done made it back to the crib, man. I hit a few other stores while I was out. Everybody around my area has sold out in the Jordan 3 UNCs, man. Bruh, if I was y'all, man, I wouldn't have slept on this sneaker. I definitely hope that everybody grabbed their pair. You know what I'm saying? This is a dope sneaker, you know. Glad I'm able to have mine. You know, like I said, man, I've done a review on it already. I'll leave a card somewhere up here so y'all can go ahead and check this out. But man, y'all let me know down in the comment section if you was able to secure your pair and all that, you know, even if you're rocking with it or not. So other than that, man, you already know who it is. It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, man, and I am out. Peace.